A lot of people come in and they ask us, how does leasing work? Well, here's the truth. Leasing is offered so that you can pay for what you use, basically. So this is how it works. They take the purchase price of the vehicle, less what they think it's going to be worth at the end of the lease term, and they divide that out, and they add interest on the whole amount of the car. But really, you're only paying for what you are going to use, plus the interest on the balance that they're loaning you until you turn the car back in. So for many people, leasing makes sense. If you're going to drive a certain amount of miles per year, you're not going to exceed that, and you take relatively good care of your car, leasing is a great alternative to drive a new car every 2 or 3 years. Some people don't like to lease, or they drive a lot of miles, or they use it for vacations a lot. Those people probably need to purchase. But look at the difference that's available to you. Leasing might be better for you. Come on in and we'll help you walk through that maze and find the best car and payment for you. Gordon Chevrolet, the money-saving end of Blanding Boulevard in Orange Park.